Roger that. Here we go. You're incredibly savvy with spy hardware. For civilians, that is. Roger that. Here we go.
Need you tonight. In excess.
That's right, you will go the same phase as of the last video. And shush a shush.
Go to your room right now, and I'll wash your mouth with like this soap later again. Play!
Okay everyone, today is report card day. I'll be passing out report cards, but first, I'll explain what the average grades on your report cards mean. Between 100 to 96, it's an A. 95 to 87, it's a B. 86 to 83, it's a C. 82 to 74, it's a D, right? And 73 to 66, 65 to 61, 60 to 52, 51 to 47, 46 to 39, 38 to 31, 30 to 22, 22 to 11, 10 to -3, it's an F. I'll be passing out report cards right now.
Yes. I got a 98 and Katie Cat got a 97.
Good job Sunny Funny and Katie Cat. Go to the principal's office to claim it.
Oh thanks sir, I got a 24. Can I have another chance?
Stay calm, Tailsland Comedian. You know Rowney got an F.